Oh, there we go. I see a person, oh, with a ponytail. And I see a flower, and a castle, and a big, looks like a giant fish thing, a monster thing, with whole polka dots everywhere. Monsters attacking the castle! Woo! Look at that fish.
Hello. Wait, did your guy die? No. Hi, Emily.
Look Oh,
everybody! You destroyed my guy! I'm an up and down guy! Come back here.